What's up, guys? I got out my Outcast EXB 8S. Want to test out these Power Hobby Scorpion tires because I just re-glued them. I want to see how they do. Hopefully they hold out pretty good. Let's get into it. What I want to do with this, I want to upgrade this. I want to do some upgrades to improve everything. Oh, this thing gonna tear them damn things down. Hey, this thing is a monster, pure monster. And I only got it on. Let's put it on 100%. Get full power out of it. I got the Gens Ace batteries in here, 11,000 milliamps, 100C. So, you know, it got a nice little push to it. That thing is messing me up. Ever hit a backflip off this with this car? Whoa. That was nice air though. Yo, I swear this car don't never disappoint me when I come out with it. Never disappoints me. Let's go over here real quick. Yeah, this car don't never disappoint. Holds them wheelies like a champ. Whoa. Yeah, my servo trying to give out on me too, so that's why I gotta definitely be careful. Whoa. Yo, seriously. Hey, what's going on? I know what's going on. The front pins came out because the bumper is barely on. I know that's what happened. Make sure I ain't lose anything. Look at all this goddamn grass. Yeah, that's what happened. See, the pins came out. Didn't lose a pin, just came out. Either that's the cleanest brake I ever seen or something's missing. Yeah, it's broke. I see it now. Here we go. Well, as always, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.